Niladri. You are watching my channel Niladri the Genius. Today video we will learn control statement. So what is control statement? Then why you study control statement? In previous, when you write a Java program, suppose I am writing one Java program. So class X, public static, void main, string arrays. So in this video, suppose I am writing addition of two numbers, a equal 5, b equal 6, a equal a plus b, system dot out dot println a. So like this way we can write program in Java. So whenever we writing normal program, the controller means who execute that program, that is called controller. So controller will execute this statement, this statement, this statement, this statement, compulsory all the statements are executed. Clear? So no statement will escape here. Every statement compulsory execute sequentially. So this statement, then this statement, then this statement, this statement, then after that statements are executed sequentially. So we have no control in that program. So only controller can handle that program and execute and giving us output by the help of control statement. Then why study control statement? By the help of control statement we can hold the control in our program. That means we can write one program, we can escape some statement, we can change the sequence of that statement. So by the help of control statement all the things will become possible. So let's know how the control statement work. So what is control statement? To transfer the controller, control statement definition, to transfer the controller, to transfer the controller anywhere in the program, to transfer the controller anywhere in the program we use control statement. Clear? So that means suppose I am writing one program, I am writing suppose 4 lines program. So you can execute this line and escape this line and execute this line, then this line. So by the help of control statement all the things possible. So without control statement compulsory all the statement will execute. You can't escape any statement. But by the help of control statement we can hold the controller in our hand. That means by writing some codes we can control all the things. That means we can control our program by the help of control statement. So control statement is 3 types: conditional control, unconditional control, another is looping. Clear? Control statement are 3 types. One is conditional control, another is unconditional control, another is looping. So conditional control, in conditional control, if else if, then nested if. Clear? In conditional control if else if, and nested if present. In unconditional control, switch case, break and continue. Clear? In unconditional, switch case, break and continue. In looping there are 3 types of looping: for loop, while loop and do while loop. So this all are belongs to control statement. That is conditional control, if else if, nested if. Unconditional control, switch case, break, continue. Looping, so for loop, while loop, do while, all belongs to control statement. So by the help of control statement we can write the program that we can handle all our controller in our part. So first we will learn conditional control. So in conditional control one part is there, if else. Okay. So what is the function of if else? If else means if condition, if condition then statement, if condition then statement, semicolon, dot dot dot. Dot 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 means you can write more than one statement. Then after that else statement. Okay, curly bracket over. This is curly bracket start, this is curly bracket over. So what is the if else? If condition then statement then curly bracket over. So this is the if curly bracket, else statement curly bracket over, dot dot dot. You can write more than one statement in if, you can write more than statement in else. So why if else is used? If the condition is true, then controller execute this statement. Clear? If the condition is true, this condition is true, then controller execute this statement. If the condition is false, then controller execute this statement. Clear? If the condition is true, controller execute this statement. If the condition is false, then controller execute this statement. Let's one example. Suppose I am writing a equal 5. Suppose I am writing integer a equal 5, b equal 6. Okay, I am writing if a greater than b. Clear? Then system.out.println, system.out.println, a is greater, else system.out.println, system.out.println, b is greater. Okay, so this is if else program. So this one if and this one else statement. Okay, so if a equal 5, b equal 6, a greater than b, true or false? A greater than b, false. So always know that relational operator, greater than is a relational operator, it return boolean value. So a greater than b, condition false. Already told, if the condition is false, else part will execute. If the condition is true, if part is execute. So now a equal 5, b equal 6, a greater than b, condition false. So which part will execute? So else part, b is greater, the answer is b is greater. Clear? The answer is b is greater. Suppose I am writing a less than b. So a less than b, a equal 5, b equal 6, a less than b, condition true. So true means a is greater. So output is a is greater. So whenever writing greater than, then b is greater. Clear? Whenever I am writing less than, a is greater. Clear? Yes or no? This is the output of this program. So like this way, control if else statement execute. So if a less than b, a is greater, else b is greater, like this statement if else will calculate. Thanks for watching my channel.